Mr. Ogbonna, who is fighting my mother's house. The gift I gave to my mom on Easter Day. Someone is fighting me. A man is taking me to court. Mr. Ogbonna, who stays in the north. But they serve me court notice. Make I come, they do waiting for court. Una don't get mama. Una don't get family. Why am I cry all the time? I don't go survive for this life. Is it because I'm still single? What is going on in my life?
My country people waiting we go call this events Okoro every day one problem or the other. Which kind of problem be this one always? Because this particular house don't they trigger a lot of issues. Have you get waiting day for that land? So even Okoro don't come and come begin they cry publicly again about the land and the house where she built for her mama on Easter Day. This time around the issue don't even they enter court. According to her, she talks say there's this particular man where they for north. Maybe somebody sold that land to him. Allegedly, because I'm talking from what I understood from waiting Evans Okoro they talk. So the man they sold the land to him. Maybe the man don't they capable, to come down and build his own house. Can they find out say they don't build house for this same land where they sell to them. And so the man converse, can issue court warning and be court this thing to Evans Okoro. Now they call Evans Okoro for court. Now so Evans Okoro can they cry say be cool, no, I no get strength to fight. I know even waiting I go court go do. She can they beg the man say be cool, no, come out, make we talk one-on-one, make we sabi who sell the land give you. My people no be smart. Make I play the video, make you now watch. This one they really emotional. Now only Evans Okoro. Oh God.
Oga, I want you to come out so that I will know you and so that we will go to people that sold this land to you so that they can be able to give you another land. When I was building this house, nobody came out though. I finished this house, nobody came out though. My mother packed in. My mother packed into the house. They brought court injunction to me that I should stop building. I say I am not building anything. Please, whoever that is fighting me, Mr. Ogbonna, I don't have strength though. I am tired already. They don't demolish my first house. This gift is for my mom. How can you be fighting me? I don't know you. I don't know you. I don't have power. I'm only hustling to survive. I'm still a tenant. My dream in life is to make my family happy, to make my parents happy, to make my mom happy. That house, I gave that house to my mom to be happy. So please, don't drag me. I cannot take it. I don't have heart to take it. Mr. Ogbonna, you are not. The house is in Asaba. Koka Asaba. You gave Mr. Eze power of attorney to fight me in court. I don't know you. And it's come out now. May I know who they fight me. How am I going to do this thing? I start house, nobody come out. I finish house, they serve me court notice. Make I come, they do waiting for court. Una don't get mama. Una don't get family. Why am I cry all the time? I don't go survive for this life. Is it because I'm still single? What is going on in my life? Mr. Ogbonna, now I'm going to look at... Hey! I am tired though! I am tired though! I am tired! I am tired! Guys, share this video. I want to know who Mr. Ogbonna, who is fighting my mother's land. My poor mom. I want to know who you are. Oga Puta, Mr. Ogbonna, come out.
This story, this one, they're really painful. I beg, share this video out. Make we foresee if Mr. Ogbonna will see her and pity for her. Cause this everyday crying don't do too much now. This girl is just a hustler trying to survive. Pico, share this video. Make we for know if we will see the man. Make he have pity. Which one be court case again? No budo ye really naga court. A person wey belle full dey go to court now, and the girl don't even come out talk say abeg I no get strength, na hustle I be. I never even settle my family. Na court case this thing I go come jump into. But this one dey really bad though. If dey sad, I no go lie. Abeg share this video, share it out. Let's have a massive share. Abeg, stay safe out there and avoid trouble.